let us look at Gainx 1200 and see how we can use this strategy to make some good profit from here. Okay, so if you should notice right from here, okay, we indicated that it's most likely for it to start selling once it breaks out from there. Okay, so and I'm going to give you a reasonable proof why we think it should start selling, so that next time when you see such structure, you will also know that it's most likely for it to sell at that point. Okay, so if you want to learn this strategy, kindly watch this video to the end so that you will understand everything about it. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. So quickly, first of all, there are two things that we need to consider in every analysis we are doing on the chart. We need to consider the resistance zone and also the support zone. Then the trend is also very important. However, before we can decide this trend, the trend, okay, we need to consider these two things, which is the resistance zone and the support zone. Okay, so at this point is the resistance zone. Okay, the resistance zone is always at the top while the support zone is always below. Okay, and of course, if you should check out the window indicator, this shows the strength of the trend. Okay, it means that this trend has been on uptrend for a while, and of course it has bought and it has gotten above 70, which means the trend is getting weaker at that point. The reason is it has overbought, and we may likely have a turnaround in the trend. Okay, but the turnaround can only happen if this resistance zone is not broken. If the resistance zone is broken, okay, it means that the trend will continue that way in its direction, okay, to not turn around. And if you should notice, this actually got there at this point, came down, went back up again, but still unable to break out above the trend. And this only means one thing: it's going to come down and sell for a very long time, most especially once it breaks out below this support region I highlighted earlier. And you can see it sold for a very long time, and at this point it has gotten to another section which is very important. You can see it right here. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and you will understand what I'm trying to say if I should go to 15 minutes time frame. Check it out on 15-minute time frame. This is the section where we are the pullback at this point, okay, which means it is possible for such pullback to also occur here if it is unable to break out below that support zone. But once it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell. We expect it to get to this region. So let's go back to 5-minute time frame. So, but if you should also check the window indicator, this is just getting to 50. Okay, although once the signal line gets to 50, sometimes it's usually have a major pullback before continuing the trend. So it is at the period where it can have a major pullback before it will now say it will continue the trend. However, once it breaks out below this support zone, then like I said, at least it should get to this region. Okay, so we are checking it out. Immediately we notice that it breaks out below this support zone, then we can move in again and sell till it gets to this TP. It is as easy as that. It is as easy as that. Okay, we just need to understand this strategy, and you will definitely keep on milking the market all the time. I will be stopping right here. If you have any other question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.